How's it going?
Yeah,
You alright?
Yeah.
Let's just go around here. For my last one of the day, I've done like 8 or 9. Okay, cool. And you can, if you want, actually come round so you can have your elbows on your knees. Do you know what I mean? That's it. Perfect. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, that's cool. Perfect. Let's get some full ones in here. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Cool. Nice. I'm just going to come in for a quick close-up. Lovely. And then I'm just going to come round, do exactly the same thing. Yeah, stay there, that's fine. Just grab that scrunchy thingy. And then let's have a look. Yeah, nice. Perfect. Okay, yeah, these are cool. And then just drop that, keep the elbow there, just drop the hand, that's it. We'll do a couple of landscape and then we're good. Okay. Yeah, that's great. Nice. And then can you have your back to that concrete bit? That's it. Perfect. Yeah, you can have it just drop down a little bit. That's it. Yeah, nice. Okay, hold that. And then just be looking kind of beyond me. That's it. Okay. And then down to camera again. Cool. That's it. Nice one.